clear the video. The original night of the chewing, notice this weed was smaller, but you can see how the turn is smeared. This is what they're breaking off. What I want to show is the historic ones broken off over the time here. And they just go on and on. There are a lot of broken ones, trimmed off ones, and honestly, I think they're doing it from down lower. And then there's that bush too. Oh, this is neat. Those three laying there. So this is June 6, 2024, and already it's a beautiful set of handprints on the same sliding glass door. Look at that thumb. So cool.